Love is one of the most intense and transformative aspects of our journey. And often, you might find yourself asking, how can I know if I'm being guided by a higher power? The truth is, divine signs are always around you, like soft whispers echoing in your heart. Have you ever felt that something extraordinary is about to happen? That feeling is the presence of angels, who are always by your side, ready to light your path. Imagine for a moment that you're in a park, surrounded by the beauty of nature. The sun is shining gently, and a light breeze brushes against your face. In that moment, you see a white feather floating softly down to your feet. This is a subtle yet powerful sign that the angels are communicating with you. They want you to know that you are accompanied and guided in your love journey. Have you noticed small coincidences or events that seem to have been orchestrated by the universe? These synchronicities are direct messages from celestial beings. Angels often manifest in times of doubt, bringing clarity and hope. As you reflect on your love life, you may have encountered questions such as, is this the right person for me? Or what do I really want in a relationship? These questions are open doors for angelic communication. They are here to help answer these questions, guiding your decisions and showing you the way forward. Allow yourself to listen to what your heart has to say. What feelings arise when you think of your partner? Is there a sense of peace and love, or are there uncertainties and fears? By listening to your intuition, you begin to recognize the voice of the angels. They want you to trust yourself and your perceptions. The divine connection is always present, waiting for you to acknowledge it. And this leads us to a profound reflection. How can you open yourself even more to these messages? A simple yet powerful practice is to set aside a moment of your day to meditate. Find a quiet place, place your hand over your heart, and take a deep breath. During this exercise, ask the angels to reveal their intentions and for true love to enter your life. As you connect with this energy, you may start to notice the signs that previously went unnoticed. But what do the angels have in store for you now? This is just the first part of a transformative journey. As you deepen your connection with these beings of light, new revelations and understandings will arise. Pay attention to the small details around you. They may hold the wisdom you've been seeking. Now that you've begun to notice the presence of angels, get ready for the next step of this journey. What more do they want you to know about your love path? The answer is closer than you think, and the light shining within you is the guide to uncovering it. Share your intentions in the comments and let us know how you've been perceiving the signs in your life. The connection is unique, and each story is a light that shines even brighter. Amid the whirlwind of emotions and expectations surrounding love, you may feel enveloped by a powerful energy. The idea of marriage, or the dream of it, brings forth a sense of wholeness, as if all the pieces of your emotional puzzle are finally fitting together. However, the angels, in their infinite wisdom, have a special message for you, a warning that should be listened to carefully. Are you ready to unravel this warning? Often, in our journey, we let ourselves be carried away by the current of feelings and forget to look within. The angels are here to illuminate your path, guiding you to a deeper understanding of what it truly means to unite with someone in such a meaningful commitment. They want you to realize that true love goes beyond the promises made at an altar. It is a daily construction, filled with nuances, challenges, and mutual growth. Imagine yourself on a beautiful sunny day, surrounded by flowers that vibrate with intense colors and aromas. This is the setting you dream of for your big day. But before you get lost in the beauty of this moment, the angels ask you to look at what lies behind this light. What shadows might arise? What truths need to be revealed? The warning they offer is an invitation to reflect on the authenticity of your relationship. Ask yourself, do you and your partner share the same values? Are the foundations that support this union solid? Many people, when faced with the idea of marriage, feel pressured to move forward, even when some crucial questions remain unanswered. The inner voices, often drowned out by the desire to be together, need to be heard. Have you stopped to consider that true unity is built on sincerity and mutual respect? Perhaps you've noticed small patterns or behaviors that intrigue you. The angels suggest that these details should not be ignored. They are like little keys that can unlock doors to important conversations. How do you feel about this? Love is a two-way street, where communication is the bridge that connects one heart to another. And this brings us to a crucial point, the importance of vulnerability. It is in this space of openness that the true strength of a relationship resides. The angels want you to know that it is essential to express your doubts and insecurities before taking such a significant step. Vulnerability is not weakness. On the contrary, it is a sign of courage and authenticity. Are you willing to open up and allow your partner to do the same? As you reflect on these questions, remember that each step toward the altar is also a step toward self-discovery. What the angels have in store for you is an opportunity to grow, not just as a couple, but as individuals. By considering these aspects, you will be better prepared for what lies ahead. But what else do the angels want you to understand before sealing this union? What is still shrouded in mystery and needs to be revealed on your journey? Prepare yourself, for the answer is about to emerge. Love, with its magical aura, often brings with it a sea of emotions and, at times, a storm of uncertainties. Sometimes, you find yourself paralyzed by fears that seem insurmountable, like shadows cast over the light of the connection you so deeply crave. It is in this space of vulnerability that the angels draw near, ready to guide you through the fog of insecurity. Have you ever stopped to think how faith can be the anchor that keeps you steady amidst these turbulences? Imagine yourself in a moment of vulnerability, where the echoes of past experiences resonate in your mind. You know that fear that makes your heart race and your thoughts drift into dark scenarios? The angels want you to know that it's normal to feel this way, that doubt is a companion that sometimes becomes unavoidable. But it is also essential to remember that every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth. Faith is not just believing that everything will be okay, it's knowing that you are worthy of a love that blooms in the light of truth and acceptance. As you reflect on your insecurities, ask yourself, what really prevents me from opening my heart completely? Often, the answers are deeply rooted in fears of rejection or the repetition of painful patterns. But dear one, it is crucial to understand that each relationship is a new chance, a new story to be written. The angels are here to remind you that you have the strength needed to overcome these barriers. When you choose to trust the journey, even with its ups and downs, a new perspective begins to emerge. Visualize a flower opening under the warmth of the sun. Just like it, you have the ability to bloom, even when uncertainty tries to dry your petals. To cultivate this inner light, start integrating practices that nourish your faith. Light a candle as you reflect on your intentions, or place your hand on your heart and repeat, "I am worthy of true love." These simple rituals can be powerful allies in strengthening your spiritual connection. And as you move forward on this journey, remember that you are not alone. The angels are always by your side, whispering words of encouragement and love. They want you to know that faith is the bridge that connects your fears to the fulfillment of a lasting relationship. With each step you take towards trust, you open yourself to a love that not only embraces your imperfections, but also transforms them into beauty. Now you might be asking yourself, what do the angels have to say about my next step? This question invites you to delve deeper into your essence. It serves as a reminder that every day offers a new opportunity to cultivate trust and hope. By looking within, you will start to notice the divine signs surrounding you, guiding you in every choice you make in the name of love. As you conclude this reflection, I invite you to share what you felt while reading these words. What insecurities do you intend to face? What do you wish to nurture in your heart? By revealing your intentions, you take a powerful step toward the transformation you seek. And remember, the light you carry is unique and valuable, and the angels are here to celebrate every part of your journey. True love is a journey, a passage that requires courage and willingness. Sometimes, before we receive the blessing of new love, we are invited to undergo an inner transformation. Have you ever stopped to reflect on how many emotional layers you carry? Each experience, each disappointment, each unfulfilled dream, all of it shapes your essence. The angels are here to guide you through this process, helping you prepare your heart for the beauty that is to come. Imagine for a moment a blossoming field, where each flower represents a part of your story. Some flowers are wilted, while others are in full bloom. This diversity reflects your experiences and emotions. The angels want you to know that it is possible to cultivate a garden filled with love and light, but it starts with accepting what is. How about starting to look at these flowers, understanding which ones need care and which ones can be left behind? The messages we receive from the divine often come in the form of subtle intuitions. You might feel a gentle breeze, as if celestial energies are whispering in your ear, reminding you that you are worthy of the love you dream of. Have you ever felt this presence around you? It's an invitation to reconnect with your deepest essence. Prepare your heart to receive true love. A simple ritual that can be powerful is lighting a candle while you reflect on your intentions. As you gaze into the flame, visualize each of your hopes and dreams rising, surrounded by light. Let this light illuminate the darkest corners of your soul, where you may have tucked away fears, insecurities, or past hurts. What the angels want you to know is that by releasing these feelings, you create space for the new. And as you contemplate this transformation, ask yourself, what is truly blocking your ability to love? Often, it's limiting beliefs that hold us back. Imagine shedding those layers, allowing your true light to shine. The angels are here to remind you that you are not alone on this journey. You are supported by invisible forces that want to see you happy and fulfilled. As you walk this path of self-discovery, remember that each step is essential. Every moment of doubt or insecurity is an opportunity for growth. When faced with these challenges, ask yourself, what are the angels trying to show me right now? This reflection can open doors to profound insights, revealing the wisdom that resides within you. Now, imagine what it will be like when you are ready to open your heart to true love. How will you feel? What dreams do you wish to manifest? Visualize this scene clearly and let that image become an anchor in your journey. The angels are by your side, guiding each step, filling you with the courage to embrace what is to come. And as you reflect on all of this, know that the next revelation is even more powerful. Get ready to discover what the universe has in store for you, because the transformation you are experiencing is just the beginning of a beautiful love story that is yet to come.